Hello everyone, I am Ruchi. Welcome to Reckon. I love to teach mathematics, the fun game of numbers. Today, I will teach you a lesson on pair of linear equations in two variables part 2 for class 10 CBSE. In part 1, we have learnt a pair of linear equations in two variables can be solved by the graphical method and algebraic method. And in algebraic method, we have learnt substitution method and elimination method. But sometimes we come across some equations which are the type of 1 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to 4, or 1 upon x plus 2 upon y equal to 7, or 1 upon 2x plus 3 upon 2y equal to 2. So these type of equations are not linear. These are not linear. So first, by taking some suitable substitution, we reduce these equations to linear equations, which can be solved by the methods we have already learnt. After using these solutions, we can solve the equations. Let's consider some examples. So, equation reducible to linear equation. कैसे हम इनको चेंज करेंगे? लीनियर इक्वेशन में हमें इनको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो there are two equations, and remember that 3x plus y not equal to 0 and 3x minus y also not equal to 0. So, given equations are given equations are 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. This is equation number 1. And second equation, 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. और इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 3x plus y, पूरी इक्वेशन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 1 upon 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 4. So this is our equation number 2. Now इसको हमें लीनियर इक्वेशन में चेंज करना है. तो लेट 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b. Therefore, equation number 1 and 2 become, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी? a plus b equal to 3 by 4. This is equation number 3rd. And second equation change हो जाएगी a minus b equal to minus 1 by 4. This is equation number 4th. Now adding, now third and fourth become linear equation. Then adding equation number 3rd and 4th, we get 2a equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4. Or we can write a, this is equal to 1 by 2, or a equal to 1 upon 4. Putting a equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3rd, we get, थर्ड वाले में इस वाले में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. देन वी गेट 1 upon 4 plus b equal to 3 by 4, और b equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 4, or b equal to 1 by 4. So now we have a equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to, suppose this is equation number 5 and this is 6. And we know that a equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. So therefore 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 1 by, sorry, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now this is equal to 3x plus y equal to 4, and second one is 3x minus y equal to 2. Again adding both sides of these equations, we get ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, 3x इक्वल टू 6 और x इक्वल टू 1, and substitute the value of x in equation number, in this equation, first one, this one. So we get 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4, or y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Hence we can say that, hence x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is the required solution. Example number 2. Solve the following pair of equations. So first equation is 2x plus 5y upon xy equal to 6, or we can write 2x upon xy plus 5y upon xy equal to 6. X cancel, y cancel, or 2 upon y plus 5 upon x equal to 6. This is equation number first. Now next equation, 4x minus, we can write similarly 4x minus 5y upon xy equal to minus 3, or 4x upon xy minus 5y upon xy equal to minus 3. X cancel, y cancel, then 4 upon y minus 5 upon x equal to minus 3. This is our equation number 2. Now let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Substitute these values in equation number 1 and 2. We get, therefore 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 become, first become 2b plus 5a equal to 6. This is equation number 3, and 4b minus 5a equal to minus 3. This is equation number 4. Now adding equation number 3 and 4th, we get 6b equal to 3, or b equal to 1 by 2. Putting b equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 3, we get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5a equal to 6, or 1 plus 5a equal to 6, or 5a equal to 5, or a equal to 1. Therefore, when a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 by 2, we get 1 upon x equal to 1, because we take 1 by x equal to a, and 1 by y equal to b, this is equal to 1 by 2, or we can say x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Hence, the solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. तो ये तो हमने किया कि अगर इक्वेशन लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं है तो उसको लीनियर इक्वेशंस में चेंज करके कैसे सॉल्व किया जाता है. अब कभी कभी हमारे पास इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आए. सपोज़ रीता ने 2 तरह के कपड़े ख़रीदे, एक रेड है और एक ग्रीन है. ग्रीन कपड़ा रेड कपड़ा ग्रीन कपड़े से उसकी 2 डबल है. ये तो हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर कोई इक्वेशन लीनियर नहीं है तो उसको लीनियर बना के कैसे हम सॉल्व कर सकें. नाउ वी शैल डिस्कस application of pairs of linear equation in solving problems related to our day-to-day life. Suppose दो लेडीज़ और 5 आदमी मिलके एक एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क को 4 दिन में फिनिश करते हैं, और 3 लेडीज़ और 6 आदमी मिलके उसी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क को 3 दिन में कंप्लीट करते हैं. तो ये बताना है कि एक लेडी उस वर्क को कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेगी और एक अकेला आदमी उस वर्क को कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेगा. तो इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को हम कहते हैं वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. एंड इन दिस प्रॉब्लम यूजुअली कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 क्वांटिटीज़. वन इज़ नोन एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ अननोन. द रिलेशन बिटवीन नोन एंड अननोन क्वांटिटीज़ is called the condition of the problem. So to solve these problem, we translate the given condition into 2 equations and solve them. Let us consider some examples. So first example number 3 is, the difference between 2 numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times of the other. Find them. So let the 2 numbers be x and y, and x is greater than y. ये हमने सपोज किया. Therefore, by the given condition x minus y equal to 26. Difference between 2 numbers is 26. So this is equation number 1, and second is x equal to 3y. One number is 3 times of other. So this is equation number 2. Now substituting x equal to 3y in equation number 1, we get 3y minus y equal to 26, or 2y equal to 26, or y equal to 13. So from equation number 2, substitute the value of y. Second equation is x equal to 3y. So 3 into 13 equal to 36. Hence, the numbers are 39 and 13. हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा जब भी कभी हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो क्वेश्चन में जो जो कंडीशन दी है उसको अंडरलाइन करते जाइए, ताकि जब हम सॉल्व करें तो उस समय हमें आसानी रहती है। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4। 5 year hence the 5 year hence father's age will be 3 times. Father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, father was 7 times as old as his son was. Find their present age. So in this case, suppose the present age of the father equal to x years and the present age of the son equal to y years. Therefore, after 5 years, father's age equal to x plus 5 years, and after 5 years, son's age equal to y plus 5 years. Also, 5 years ago, father's age equal to x minus 5, 5 साल पहले x minus 5 होगी, and 5 years ago son's age y minus 5, y minus 5 years. Now, by the given conditions, x plus 5 equal to 3 y plus 5, or we can write x minus 3y equal to 10. This is equation number first, and second condition is x minus 5 equal to 7 times of y minus 5, or x minus 7y equal to minus 30. So this is equation number second. Now, subtracting second equation from first, we get 4y equal to 40, or y equal to 10. Putting y equal to 10 in equation number 1, we get x minus 3 into 10 equal to 10, or x minus 30 equal to 10, or x equal to 40. Hence, the present age of present age of the father equal to 40 years and the present age of the son equal to 10 years. तो इस तरह से हम वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. Geeta can row 20 kilometers downstream in 2 hours and 4 kilometers upstream in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in a still water and the speed of the current. Now, solution. Suppose the speed of the boat in still water equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of the current, or you can say speed of the stream, equal to y kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat डाउनस्ट्रीम में बोट की स्पीड कितनी होगी? जो बोट की स्पीड है प्लस जो स्ट्रीम की स्पीड है, सो x प्लस वाई किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड स्पीड ऑफ द बोट अप स्ट्रीम. नाउ इस केस में बोट की स्पीड में से स्ट्रीम की स्पीड माइनस हो जाती है, सो दिस इज x माइनस वाई किलोमीटर पर आवर. वी नो दैट स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. Therefore, by the given conditions, first one is x plus y. जब वो डाउन स्ट्रीम में जा रही है उस केस में कितना किलोमीटर चला? 20 किलोमीटर्स इन 2 hours. सो x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 20 अपॉन 2 इक्वल टू 10. सो दिस इज, और x plus y equal to 10. This is equation number first. And second condition, in upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. So in upstream x minus y equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2, or x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number second. Now adding equation number 1 and 2, we get 2x equal to 12 or x equal to 6. Putting x equal to 6 in equation 1, we get 6 plus y equal to 10 or y equal to 4. Hence, speed in still water equal to 6 kilometer per hour and speed of the current or stream equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Now next question. Example number 6. Rita went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only as she required them to distribute among the winners of the game. Rita got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Solution. Let Rita got X notes of rupees 50 and Y notes of rupees 100 each. Then by the question, X plus Y इक्वल टू 25, क्योंकि दोनों नोट मिला के 25 हैं, एंड 50x प्लस 100y इक्वल टू 2000. दोनों टोटल अमाउंट कितना है 2000, और वी कैन राइट x प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 40. So this is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from equation number 2, we get y equal to 15. Therefore, from equation number 1, x plus 15 equal to 25 or x equal to 10. Hence, number of notes of rupees 50 equal to 10 and number of notes of rupees 100 equal to 15. तो ये हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. Now, example number 7. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also the time taken by one man alone. Let x and y are the number of days taken by one woman and one man to finish the embroidery work. So therefore, by the given conditions, 2 upon x plus 5 upon y इक्वल टू 1/4. ये इनका 2 लेडीज़ और 5 मैन का एक दिन का काम हो गया कि एक दिन में इतना काम करेंगे. So this is equation number 1, and second condition is 3 upon x plus 6 upon y equal to 1 by 3. Now let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Then equation 1 and 2 become 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. This is equation number 3rd. And 3a plus 6b equal to 1 by 3. This is equation number 4th. Now we multiply equation number 3 by 3 and 4 by 2. We get, multiplying equation number 3rd by 3 and 4th by 2. We get 6a plus 15b equal to 3 by 4 and 6a plus 12b equal to 2 by 3. So this is equation number 5th and this is equation number of 6th. Now we subtract equation 6th from 5th. We get 3b equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, or 3b equal to 12. 9 minus 8 equal to 1 by 12, or b equal to 1 upon 36. Now substitute, putting b equal to 1 by 36 in equation number 4th. Equation number 4th. We get, क्या मिलेगा हमको, 3a plus 6 into 1 by 36 equal to 1 by 3. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा 6, और 3a equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, और 3a equal to 6 LCM, 6 minus 3 equal to 2, ये आ जाएगा हमारा 6 LCM, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 by 6, और a equal to 1 by 18. So we have a equal to 1 upon 18 and b equal to 1 upon 36. Now therefore we can say that x equal to 1 by a, it means 18, and y equal to 36, 1 by b. So hence time taken by one woman equal to 18 days, and time taken by one man equal to 36 days. ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any problem or doubts related to this topic, please comment below. I will try to respond to each one of your questions. I will be uploading next video soon. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos.